So let me tell you, do you like this nature? No. What do you mean no? It's because of the sky. Is the sky really that bad? Of course. There really is a chance of a thunderstorm tonight, so that does count. Oh look, no people. Ugh. Hey look, your thing fell out. We have to get this back in you. Come on. Be helpful. Okay, jeez Louise. Hey Bill, what are you guys talking about? We're talking about some random stuff. Of course. Say, who do you think's gonna be the next person? And hey guys, let's see a little cast. Very tired. Okay, well, introduce yourselves. Ballpoint pen, stick. I'm Walkie and Nature Garden. Wait a minute. Who's he? Oh, I'm Rollabout. Well, I guess you guys have a new 6th last contestants of Nature Battle. Yeah! Ow! No, can't stop moving. Wait, oh my goodness. Then when's point us? I know, since you guys are new, follow me. Okay. Hey, why are you putting us in you? It's easy. Look. Whee! What's welcome to the Planet of the Gardens. The reason why you're here is because follow me guys. Again? Oh guys, follow me. Why are we going somewhere else? Oh no, it's because of that sound. Lucky said he'll meet a spell. Guys, I'm right here. Okay, let's go. Whoa, what's this place? Wow, it's a house. Why are we here? Well, you guys are making teams. Teams? Cool. What even is going to be the teams? Well, teams anyways. Get on this. Ow. Alright, guys. It's time to choose your teams. I just noticed something. Can we have golden pole here? Okay. I'm just gonna find her. Golden pole over here, please. Okay. Okay. You three over nature spots. Wait a minute. I kind of want my name on the team name. Okay, fine. Name is around nature. Okay. Now, can you please get off of you? It's time for us to do the next team. Sickly, Ballpoint Pen, and Rocky. You guys overwalk this. Can we be named the Rocky team? Sure. Woohoo! This team's good. Now, follow me to next challenge. Can we please not do it on the front yard? We're doing it on the front yard. Do I be like it now? No! He's here. Click 1. Okay, fine. Follow me to actual challenge area. Nature ball. Was that really necessary? Sorry. Well, guys, wait a minute. You guys are missing one member. Wait, I'm missing Rocky. Oh, there he is. Walkie, come. Okay, we got Walkie. Good. Very nice. Time for your second challenge. Come on, roundabout. Alright, guys, next challenge is to get me that shell. What shell? You mean the shell over there? Yep. Whichever team does not get me the shell, a perfect position is up for elimination. If you enjoy your elimination, go! Okay, this challenge kind of hard. Guys, I can make a clone myself to get it. Wow, a clone. Clone, I command you to go get the shell. I didn't know you could create clones. I can. They're beautiful and nice. They also obey me. Hey, Walkie, can you go tell one of your walk friends? About what? To get the shell. I can't. If I do, it's a sick area, remember? Oh, yeah. Just go tell one of your walk friends, okay. Excuse me, walk friends. Do you know, like, if I walk Populous? Oh, walk Populous is over there. Okay, thank you. Ooh, overwalked. Excuse me, guys. Walking. Can one of you guys go get a shell for me? I will profoundly go get it. No, you're just a fading walk. Well, who's gonna get it then? I know who can get it. I'm gonna go get the walk for you. Okay. Thank you. Wait, who actually gave me a walk? No one? No one wants to help me? Oh, can you help? Yes, I will help. Thanks. Guys, meet Sodium. He's gonna help. Okay, we'll cut this chubby. Aha. There it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look, guys, he's got it. Alright, let's fix this. Oh, wait a minute. Does it mean your clone can spot things? Most likely it can. Oh no. Hey! Oh no. Hey! I'm using that. Too bad. I'm doing a challenge. I didn't see anything else. Click on. Ow! I got a new goat. Guys, I got it, but he's after me. Oh no! I could not let his team win. Yo, flower pot's clone. There's something over there. I knew that would work. Alright, time to fix this thing. Okay, I think it's done. Hey, host, I got it. Oh, gotta go. Go, 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 go. see your team did it, huh? Rocky, your team is safe. Yeah, everyone. Viewers, follow you want to go home. I use the Google form in the description below. Whoever gets the most funds from upside up from the series eliminated. See you guys next episode. Hey, have you guys seen my clone? I don't know what the clone even is. He probably went over to Lockopolis. What? Yeah. No! But I was like, another clones again. You deserve it. Ow.